Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you a nice interesting one. It is Mongolian turkey breast strips. Okay, nice, quick and easy one, this one. Right, we've got a nice large bowl. I'm going to add in around about, I'd say, 3 cloves of garlic, or the equivalent of, and about the same, again, maybe a little bit less, of ginger, and I'm using the paste. Makes it nice, quick and easy. Here I've got about a tablespoon of soy sauce, just a good quality one, about 2 tablespoons worth of Zhaoxing wine or dry sherry if you have that. Add those in, and we're going to put around about half a teaspoon's worth of sesame oil. That's going to be our marinade. I'm also going to add in around about a tablespoon's worth of cornstarch or corn flour. Very, very simple. And this makes a really nice sticky marinade. It's going to make a great sauce in the end as well. Give that a quick stir through with a spoon, of course. There we go, we've got that. And all I've done is I've bought some turkey breast steaks and just slice those up into nice little strips straight across the grain. No real rocket science, very, very simple to do. And the turkey is a really nice lean meat. Doesn't take very long to cook, and it's got a great flavour. Give that a stir. We'll put that in the refrigerator for about half an hour. Now here I've got what would be the equivalent of, I would say, 2 tablespoons worth of hoisin sauce. It's all in the bottom of the jar. It's a nice little quick tip on how to get rid of all of that sauce. Simply just going to add in around about 2 tablespoons worth of Zhaoxing wine. I'm going to add in about a tablespoon's worth of oyster sauce, teaspoon of malt vinegar. You could also use a Chinese black vinegar if you have it. A little bit of sesame oil. Put all of that straight in. A little bit of water, of course. Put that into your jar, and we're just going to give that a shake. We're going to use up all of that hoisin sauce that is in that jar. Great little tip for you. Nice easy way to mix up a sauce as well. A little bit of oil straight in the pan. I'm going to add in 1 onion, which I've just quarter cut. Give that a nice little fry off. Just get that all started. Won't take you very long at all. You want to get these cooked off just a little bit. A little bit of salt. It's also going to help soften the onions a little bit. Don't go too bananas with that, because we're going to have enough salt in our sauce. Okay. Once they've got a bit of colour to them, we can remove those. It's a nice, easy way to keep a good brown colour on your onions, and also give you a great flavour at the end. All we're simply going to do is fry off, or just sear off, our turkey breast strips just in a saucepan or wok. You can even do this on the barbecue. It won't work the same, of course, because you won't be able to get the sauce to stick to the meat. So we're going to cook those off in a couple of batches, just like that. They're going to take about 3 to 4 minutes maximum. We're going to end up with a little bit of a crust in the bottom there. Don't worry, that'll help make up the rest of the sauce. Add your onions, our turkey breast strips, straight back into the pan. All of them, including any of the marinade that is left over. That all goes straight in, just like that. Very, very easy to do. And if you haven't tried making a Mongolian type dish before, it is so versatile. You can use any meat you want. Now, there's that sauce we just made in that jar. Pour that straight over the top. And all we have to simply do is just stir this through around about 5 minutes-ish, and you will have your meal absolutely complete. I'm going to serve this up with a little bit of fried rice, and if you haven't seen my chicken and lychee fried rice recipe before, that is a really good one to use. It's a little bit sweet. I'm going to put the lid on there just to keep that warm around about 3 to 4 minutes. Just a nice low heat while I make sure I get my rice heated up. And I'm just using leftover fried rice, so you don't need to go too stupid with that. You can even use fresh brown or white rice if you like. You can even put this with a bit of noodle, or you can just have this with a little bit of potato if you want to. But before you know it, you're going to have KP's Mongolian turkey breast strips all done. Top it off with a few sesame seeds. How good does that look? How easy and how quick was that? Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be getting every single video whenever it comes out. and I will catch you next time. Bye!